welcome to One Take Basketball Mini Hoop Trick Shots. Let's do this. Okay, that failed. You guys will be able to see this, but I'm driving now. Failed. This mini hoop sucks, by the way. And the ball also sucks. I'm not making excuses, guys. Like if you can't even do that, like I don't know what you can do. So yeah. Okay. Basketball trick shots. Okay, the grand slam, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna try this with a normal basketball hoop next one. Okay, you guys ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Okay, so I'm now getting ready to go for the nether dunk. That was supposed to go in. Looks like all my shots on this mini hoop, but the mini hoop absolutely is trash. Like, watch this. Like, you can't even bounce it in a single direction.